Hello, I'm Muhammad Zarif. Would like to explain about stock 1 that we choose, which is IOI Corp. IOI Corp Berhad is one of the world's largest integrated palm oil producers. Its operations include oil palm plantations and manufacturing divisions. The plantations are monitored to check oil palm nutrient status, seed breeding, ground conditions, and other data sources to improve the efficiency of each estate. The majority of revenue from the plantations comes from sales to its manufacturing divisions. Once the oil reaches the manufacturing divisions, it can be refined to create snack ingredients, soap, plastics, fatty acids, and other oils. The products are exported worldwide to many different customers, including some multinational corporations. The fact that the support and resistance lines cross more than 2 price points indicates them significant. On 20th June 2022, the market price of 3.72, which is on the support line, represents a turning point at which the price bounces and starts to increase. The market price was able to pass through the resistance line at 3.89 on the next day. Investors are advised to buy or hold the stock despite the fact that the price has started to fall in order to gain increase and their profitability, because as we predict, there will be a turning point when the price drops to the resistance lines, from which it will rebound and the market price will start to rise. Other than that, the signal to buy is also on 20th June by using Bollinger Band, due to intersection with share price crossover with Bollinger Band line, and rebounded by the significant downtrend line, which touched 5 price break points between the early of May and the middle of June in 2022, demonstrate that the trend is bearish, as there is a series of descending tops in a falling market, indicating the company's performance was poor during the time period. However, as the price began to rise on 20th June 2022, we predict that the trend will become bullish in the future, as the company's trend had previously been bearish. Thus, investors are urged to buy or hold on to stocks in order to gain more profit in the future, as the market price is expected to rise further. This is supported by the increase and heavy volume while the price is rising. This shows that the stock has been oversold and the trend is bullish, with the price continuing to rise. Based on the stochastic indicator, investors are also recommended to buy or hold the stock in the future, as the market was oversold on 20th June 2022 when the %D line crosses the extreme low band. This is proven when the %K line falls below 20%. Furthermore, the %K crosses the %D lines from below to above it, signifying positive divergence or a bullish signal, indicating that the company's performance is good, and the market price will rise. There is also a buying signal when the %D line crosses the smooth of D line from below. This is also be supported by the Relative Strength Index RSI indicator, which shows that the stock is oversold and the investors are advised to enter the market and buy or hold the equities because the RSI line has dropped below the 30% line. It has also been supported by the rate of change ROC indicator, as the ROC oscillator has increased and moved from a negative reading to above the zero line, or equilibrium line, suggesting that momentum is gaining strength and is bullish. Investors are advised to stay onto the stocks as the price is predicted to increase, since this is a buy signal. I think that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Atira Ini, and now I will further explain regarding stock number 2, which is from Fiamma Holding Berhad. Fiamma Holding Berhad is an investment holding and property investment company Through its subsidiaries, the company sells services, manufacture and assemble electrical home appliances. Fiamma Holding also sells sanitary wares and bathroom accessories, provide values-added network data services, and manufactures water heater. According to the chart, the performance of the market price pattern starting with being narrow from December 2021 until March 2022. However, during March 2022, the price pattern continued to bullish trend. The trend starting to bullish with close price 0.58 to 1.02 from March until April. Then the market price become bearish. During that time, all indicators show the sell signal until the bearish pattern breakout. The bearish breakout at the end of June 2022 at close price 0.76. The stock does show as unexpected change throughout the 6 months period. Before the price starting to bullish during March, the investor has a lot of chance of trading opportunities. There is a bullish pattern from March 2022 until April, where the RSI indicator shows overbought signal. The price pattern then slowly showed the overbought signal and then on 25 April 2022 and then moved downward. But the stock bounced back when the momentum gained back until the price pattern reached the overbought price 70% line on 16 June 2022. On 25 April 2022, the moving average line was intercepted with the price pattern level reached the overbought stock signal. This event confirmed when MACD indicators also show the same situation when MACD line crossed below MACD signal line. At this point, both indicators show sell signal. In 29 June, the MACD line crossed above the MACD signal line. Although the price pattern have shown two trend lines, which is uptrend from March 2022 until April 2022 and the downtrend from April until at the end of June 2022. During the downtrend, there are one support line at the price of 0.769. This support line is significant. There would be a bullish trend happen after that. Investors were advised to buy stock when all indicators show a buy signal at green arrow. Currently, the stock close price is at 0.875 on 15 July 2022. They show an overbought situation where the price pattern move above the moving average. This scenario approved by all indicators that show in the chart above. The stochastic indicator started to show overbought signal when the stochastic line moved above 80% line. Then the ROC indicator strongly say that there is a momentum. The price pattern move uptrend. It is recommended to sell the stock in a few days because of overbought signal confirmed by all indicators. But it is advised to aware the sudden reversal that might change the price pattern. However, it is the best to hold the stock for a while until it is strongly confirmed to sell the stock. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Hidayah and I would like to explain about stock 3, which is Sedania Innovator. Sedania Innovator was incorporated in Malaysia on 17 December 2013 under the Act as a private limited company under the name of Sedania Innovator Berhad and publicly listed on ACE Sedania 0178. From a humble beginning of developing and also operating our proprietary sharing platform that allows mobile subscribers to request and transfer airtime credits to other prepaid subscribers, they have now grown into a full-fledged innovation house. According to the graph above, the resistance lines were noteworthy because they crossed more than 2 price points at 0.45. On July 4, 2022, the market price of 0.50 put the price pattern into overbought territory. Since the price pattern indicates a decline, we should cut our losses and sell the stock now. To help traders decide when to buy or sell a stock, you can utilize the Bollinger Band, which shows that the stock's relative strength or momentum. The overbought and oversold strategy made use of this signal. As the white bands began to narrow, the Bollinger Band suggests a downward trend by the end of 2022. However, it is a technical indicator. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) measures that the differences between two exponential moving average. The MACD line is depicted in blue, while the signal line is shown in a red line. Here is a comparison of the MACD to a set of signal lines to demonstrate the differences between the two. It's time to buy because the MACD and the signal lines are crossing over one another. Even though MACD and the signal line touched on May 17, 2022 and no cross was visible. Next, we move to the rate of change ROC indicator. Usually known simply as momentum, it calculates the percentage rise or reduction in price over a particular time period. Prices are generally growing as long as the ROC remains positive. In contrast, when the ROC is negative, price decline. Although the ROC suggests that the company is gaining momentum and the ROC line has crossed the zero line, that we cannot make an entrance choice on this stock just based on the ROC indicator, since we must always remember to confirm with other indicators to make a decision. Because the line is higher than the zero line, this ROC implies an uptrend with strong momentum in the middle of March 2022. On the other hand, by May 17, 2022, the line has been below than zero line and it will have a low momentum on that time. Last but not least, the stochastic line crossed above the 80% mark on July 4, 2022 with 81.02%, signaling to traders that they should get ready to sell their stocks before it will get more worse in the future. On July 20, 2022, they will be able to sell their stock for a lower percentage than the one they currently hold. Traders should be prepared to sell their stocks on July 4, 2022 if stochastic has fallen below 20% level. That's all from us. Thank you.